the war on dust is real. And you've been losing. Meet the Eufy E20, your ultimate cleaning warrior. You vacuum, yet the dust keeps coming back like a bad sequel. Pet hair tangles in the brush, dirt settles in the corners, and somehow, your vacuum needs more maintenance than your car. You don't have time to babysit a cleaning gadget. What you need is a real solution, one that works smarter, not harder. Enter the Eufy Robot Vacuum 3-in-1 E20, a self-emptying, obstacle-dodging, tangle-busting powerhouse that cleans better, faster, and longer than your current setup. It's time to upgrade from frustration to automation and finally win the battle against mess once and for all. The struggle, weak suction, tangled brushes, constant emptying. Sound familiar? Most vacuums can't handle real-life messes, especially if you have pets, kids, or both. Enter the E20's 30,000 Pascal of suction power. This beast doesn't just pick up dirt, it obliterates it, tackling everything from fine dust to chunky debris. And forget about pausing to detangle pet hair, the Pro-Detangle Comb reverses automatically, keeping the brush roll clean and your sanity intact. No more cutting hair out of your vacuum, ever. Even the smartest vacuums still get stuck. Until now. Traditional robot vacuums bump around like lost toddlers, getting stuck on rugs, furniture, and, shudder, Legos. The Eufy E20 changes the game with triple-line laser obstacle avoidance and precision LiDAR navigation. It sees and adapts in real time, effortlessly dodging obstacles while delivering edge-to-edge, corner-to-corner cleaning. It even climbs over small ledges and rugs without losing suction. While others wander aimlessly, this one cleans like it has a PhD in floor science. You empty your vacuum more than it cleans, that's backward. Most vacuums demand constant attention, but the E20 runs for up to 75 days before you even have to think about emptying it. With its 3-liter auto-empty station, dust disappears without you lifting a finger. And when it does need a recharge, it's 40% faster than the competition, meaning it gets back to work before you even notice it was gone. The verdict. If you want hands-free cleaning that actually works, this is it. The Eufy E20 is more than a vacuum, it's a lifestyle upgrade. More suction, smarter navigation, zero maintenance, and a cleaning system so efficient you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Tired of fighting dust? Stop losing and start winning. Click Add to Cart now and let the E20 take over your cleaning game, for good.